I love splashing in the tub, don't you? It's time for our Splish Splash Safari adventure. Can you see my rubber ducky family? They're here to help us learn all about bath time. Wow, look at that magical bubble-making turtle. He's showing us how soap makes bubbles to keep us clean. Did you know that water is really special? It can change from liquid to solid when it's cold and to steam when it's hot. Let's sing along with our fish friends. They're teaching us about morning and evening baths. In the morning, we wash our sleepy faces to wake up. At night, we clean our bodies to get ready for bed. Can you help me count how many bubbles the turtle is making? Oh, look at these cool color-changing fish toys. When the water's too hot, they turn red to warn us. When it's just right, they turn blue. Isn't that amazing? Remember, friends, baths are super important to keep us healthy. Our friendly octopus is showing us how to wash all our body parts. Can you point to your arms, now your legs? Let's wash them together. Look at those silly hippos and elephants enjoying the water too. They're reminding us to be safe in the tub. Always have a grown-up nearby when you're in the water, okay? You know what's really fun? Using our imagination during bath time. Let's pretend our bathtub is a big ocean. Can you see the submarine toy exploring the deep sea? What creatures do you think it might find? Maybe a friendly whale or a colorful fish. Bath time can be an exciting adventure if we use our imagination. And when we're all clean and having fun, we're taking good care of our bodies too.